Hello, welcome. I didn't know I was going to have visitors quite this early. My name is Dr. Rob. I'm one of the professors for the Cisco Network Academy. Hey, as long as you're here early, let me show you around some of the equipment that you'll be using once you're enrolled as a student. These devices that the instructors use to display how to configure network devices are called routers. These are the same exact devices which would be used to connect a building or a town or a city to the internet. Essentially, each one of these devices would be a central place on the internet that all the traffic runs through. Now, to further simulate this in a classroom environment, our students get to touch these actual routers on these actual computers. And as you see on each table, there's a collection of routers. And these routers have the different cables that are used by high-speed internet connections and ISPs, such as Comcast, Verizon, other organizations that allow us access to the internet. So we actually allow the students to use these cables. Now understand, these routers, as well as these cables, are extremely expensive. All of that is covered in your enrollment in the Cisco Network Academy. In addition to that, you see multiple tables in this room. Come on, follow me. As you walk around the room, there's other equipment that is used by our students. Yeah, come on, over to your left. Outstanding. There's other equipment that's used, like a switch or server rack. This would allow us to put all of the devices, like the routers and other devices the students use, called switches, into these devices so they can simulate operating in something called a NOC, a Network Operations Center. It will be like the brain of Comcast or Verizon. In addition to that, there's multiple stations in the room. Students can work independently or as groups to simulate having different cities on these different tables using the routers. And their jobs is to learn how to control routing traffic between all of those cities, states, and buildings. These are just some of the things that you will experience in the event that you enroll in the Cisco Networking Academy. So I tell you what, if you're interested, go ahead and give us a call at the number that's going to appear at the bottom of the screen. Until then, hey, this is Dr. Rob, and I'll be looking for you. You take care.